Hi, I'm PNC Joe, and I only talk about commercial insurance. When it comes to running a business that serves alcohol, understanding liquor liability is crucial. Lawsuits related to alcohol-related incidents can pose significant financial risks, and navigating these legal responsibilities is often a daunting task for small business owners. Balancing customer enjoyment with safety and compliance presents a complex challenge, requiring careful attention to both local regulations and potential liabilities. Keep watching, because in this video, we will discuss these important topics. What does liquor liability mean? Who needs liquor liability insurance? Why is liquor liability insurance a good idea? What does bodily injury coverage mean? What does property damage coverage mean? What are legal defense costs? What is assault and battery coverage? What is the difference between host liquor liability and liquor liability insurance? And a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Liquor liability is a type of insurance that helps protect businesses and individuals who sell or serve alcohol. If someone gets hurt or their property is damaged because of alcohol served by a business, this insurance may help pay for the costs, subject to the terms and conditions of the policy. For example, if a bar serves too much alcohol to a person who then goes out and causes a car accident, the bar can be responsible for the damages. Liquor liability insurance may help cover the costs of these accidents. Liquor liability insurance is important for businesses like bars, restaurants, and clubs that serve alcohol. Even event hosts, like wedding planners or party organizers, might need it if they serve drinks. Basically, anyone who provides alcohol to others should consider getting this insurance. This way, they can be protected if something goes wrong, subject to the policy terms and conditions. Having liquor liability insurance is a good idea because it helps protect businesses from potentially large expenses. If someone gets hurt or something gets broken because of alcohol, these businesses might have to pay a lot of money. With insurance, they may not have to pay these costs alone, depending on the policy terms and conditions. It's like having a safety net that helps catch them when things go wrong. Plus, some places require this insurance by law, so it's important to have it to stay legal. Bodily injury coverage is part of liquor liability insurance that may help pay for medical costs if someone gets hurt. For example, if a person drinks too much at a party and falls, hurting themselves, the insurance may help cover their hospital bills, subject to the policy terms and conditions. This makes sure that the business or event host doesn't have to pay all that money out of their own pocket. Property damage coverage may help pay for repairs if something gets broken because of alcohol. Suppose someone gets drunk in a restaurant and accidentally breaks a window. The insurance may help pay for fixing the window, subject to the policy terms and conditions. This way, the restaurant doesn't have to use its own money to cover the damage. Legal defense costs are the expenses for lawyers and court fees if a business gets sued because of something that happened with alcohol. If someone thinks a bar is responsible for an accident and takes them to court, the bar will need to hire a lawyer. Liquor liability insurance may help pay for these costs, subject to the policy terms and conditions, making sure the business can defend itself without worrying about money. Assault and battery coverage is a part of liquor liability insurance that may help in cases where a fight or attack happens because someone drank too much. For example, if a fight breaks out in a club and someone gets hurt, this insurance may help cover the costs, subject to the policy terms and conditions. It's important because alcohol can sometimes lead to arguments or fights, and this coverage helps protect the business. Host liquor liability is for people who don't usually sell alcohol but have events where drinks are served, like a wedding or a company party. Liquor liability insurance is for businesses that sell or serve alcohol regularly, like bars and restaurants. Host liquor liability is usually a smaller part of a bigger insurance policy, while liquor liability insurance is a main part for businesses that serve alcohol all the time. Dram Shop Laws are rules that make businesses responsible if they serve alcohol to someone who is already too drunk, and that person then causes harm. These laws mean that bars and restaurants need to be very careful about how much they serve to people. If they don't follow these laws, they could get in trouble, and liquor liability insurance may help cover the costs if they get sued, subject to the policy terms and conditions. It's like a rule to make sure businesses serve alcohol safely. Exclusions are things that the insurance does not cover. Common exclusions in liquor liability policies can include serving alcohol to minors, people under the legal drinking age, or if someone breaks the law while serving alcohol. For example, if a bar knowingly serves alcohol to someone underage, the insurance might not help if there's a problem. It's important for businesses to know these exclusions to avoid mistakes. I hope this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of liquor liability insurance and its importance for businesses serving alcohol. Protecting your establishment and ensuring the safety of your patrons is essential, and having the right coverage can make all the difference. Stay informed, stay compliant, and keep your business thriving. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.